Yearly emissions tests in Georgia are required for most cars and light-duty trucks manufactured between 1994 and 2014. But this only applies to 13 counties. Let's go over how it works. When the Federal Clean Air Act was passed in 1996, 13 counties in Georgia failed to meet the standards set by the new bill. So when Georgia started its vehicle inspection and maintenance program that year, an annual emissions test was added on as a requirement for vehicles registered in those 13 counties. All of Georgia's so-called non-attainment areas that are subject to annual emissions testing are located in the Atlanta area. They are Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, Coweta, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Paulding, and Rockdale counties. If you own a vehicle registered in one of those 13 counties, you must take it in for an annual emissions test before you can renew your registration. But this requirement doesn't apply to every single vehicle. For starters, emission testing is only required for cars and light-duty trucks that weigh less than 8,500 pounds. Any kind of alternative fuel is exempt, whether you have a hybrid or electric car or a diesel truck. Your car is also exempt if it's an antique, a hot rod or kit car, or a collector vehicle. Vehicles over 25 years old are exempt too. And finally, there's a special exemption for cars that have working odometers and are less than 10 years old, driven for less than 5,000 miles a year, and owned by somebody older than 65. In other words, your grandparents probably don't need to bring in their car for testing. If Georgia's emissions testing requirements do apply to you, luckily the process is pretty simple. Find a testing center near you, bring your car in, and pay a $25 fee. If your car fails, you'll have 30 days to make any necessary repairs and retake the test. If you fail again, you can request a waiver that allows you to go ahead and register your car without making any additional repairs. For more information about car ownership, including how to find the best car insurance rates in Georgia, go to getjerry.com.